Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, MP3 player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.